That's the only fish I caught today. It's called a goby. Rest my finger. A goby. That's what I caught today. Jesus.
I don't know what the line is.
That's a king snake. They're rare. It's an endangered species here. They're constrictors, eh?
Danger?
No.
No, it's not.
They're actually fairly. They're sometimes some are mean, some are quite quite okay, right? We used to catch them when we were kids. There's all kinds of them in this creek valley. There's a much smaller one living just below me too in the rocks. I seen him a while ago.
I seen him before. He goes into the water now.
Oh yeah, they fish too, eh? Here. Where is it? I'm chasing it down the ramp here. Watch him go in the water. Where is it? There he is. I might not want to go out with all the ducks right now. That's about 32 inches, that's right. Oh, there goes my rod. See you later, snake. That's a woodpecker, a downy woodpecker on my back fence. Pecking at stuff, picking up spiders and little bugs that are hiding in there. Yeah, I got woodpeckers, cardinals, robins, blue jays,